where I am today. Okay? मैं 25 साल की अपने पेरेंट्स के पैसे में नहीं जी रही हूँ. So let's not even get there. Going back to Goa. When we were in Goa, he posted that YouTube video where we were kissing. And I told him that, can we not post that? Because it's too soon. And my parents are gonna see, and I don't want it because before I have never, मैंने अपना relationship इतना public में नहीं रखा था. And I was like, okay, I don't want that. And this guy goes like, why? Because you have someone outside. I was like, okay, ठीक है. If you have that much trust issues, ठीक है, post कर ले. अगर मेरा कोई बाहर होता तो मैं शायद ये सब करती नहीं. First thing first. I was agreeing to everything he said because I was so stupid and I was in love with him. Or whatever that was, okay? I was so stupid that I was just doing whatever he was saying. I would never let anyone check my phone, but I did let him check my phone because I was like, if he's having trust issues because of his past trauma, whatever, I should just maybe let him do what he wants to. And I feel like an idiot right now, but it is what it is. Goa, when we were in Goa, this guy shames me for everything that I do, everything. For working too much. He used to have issues like, you work so much, you're only working all the time. Yes, dude, because I don't live in my parents' money. I work. Yes, I'm working. And everything that is happening or everything that you're doing in Goa is because I have arranged everything and I have to मेरे डैड का होटल्स नहीं है जो मुझे ऐसे ही दे दे, बोले कि आ जाओ अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स के साथ और just chill. I have to work for them. Okay? He used to shame me for everything. You work so much. You make me work so much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you have never been with a people who pushes you to work. I'm sorry that I don't know what kind of people you have been with that बस तुम्हें बैठ के वीड स्मोक करते रहने बोलते हैं. वैसे लोगों के साथ रहे होगे तुम तो my bad that I forced you to work, that I wanted to see better in you, that I wanted you to grow. My bad. I feel really bad for myself that why was I even doing that? Because you never appreciated anything that I did. And today you're posting the same pictures first, blaming me for everything and getting mad and fighting about it because I made you shoot all the pictures. And आज 4 महीने के बाद 3 महीने के बाद you're posting the same pictures that my friends shot for you. And you say you're not about all this? Come on. This whole double standard bullshit, keep it to yourself, okay? Look, I don't understand how these guys can just come and just say कि हाँ इसने ये किया उसने ये किया just because a girl is going out with her friends, then it's a pain. I don't understand this whole mentality. I don't understand. I have always had hundreds of guys friend. My mom chills with my friend. And the guy that he's talking about in Goa, I'll post a screenshot for that too. Okay? Jigar and I am friends from last 8 years. We are very close. He's an amazing guy. He's seen someone in Goa. Okay? And every guy that I have chilled with, he messaged Yash saying that did you kiss cat? He messaged a bunch of guys, whoever I'm chilling with. Did you do this? Did you do that? He would ask after our, I won't even say like breakup, whatever bullshit, okay? Once we stopped talking to each other, I went to Goa after we stopped talking to each other. Okay? So he cannot, first thing, he cannot say that even if I was doing something, that is none of his business because we weren't talking to each other. We broke up. Okay? But I wasn't doing. That's another thing. And even when I was in Goa, let's get back to the Goa scene. When I was in Goa, I lost this whole drama, this whole 2 months drama. I lost 7 kgs. I was crying every single day. I was mentally such in a bad stage, and Kevin knows that. I used to call him crying that I want to fix things. Okay, बहुत चीजें इसने skip कर दिया था, मैं detail में जाऊंगी. He said, हम अंडमान गए, हम ये गए, हम वो गए, and मैं US गया, then she went to Goa and this happened. That's where she fucked it up. No. Let's go back again. Goa में we had a lot of drama because he used to hate that I work too much. He used to hate that I'm forcing him to work. That when we went to Andaman, Anushka ने message किया था मुझे कि Kevin keep texting me. He's asking me about my sex life. How's my sex life with my boyfriend? All that. He keep messaging me from कोई तो fake account से, ठीक है? तो मैंने केविन को पूछा कि are you still in touch with your ex-girlfriend? क्योंकि I think I should like you're going through all my messages, all my like friends के chat. I think उतना तो मेरा भी right बनता है कि मुझे भी पता चले कि तुम अपनी ex girlfriend से बात कर रहे हो और मुझे कोई problem नहीं है because मैं ना I'm not a kind of girl who is like insecure, jealous, not at all, okay? I think any girl would get insecure if you're seeing someone or if you like someone and that person is lying about shit, and then anyone would get insecure. Tell me if I'm wrong, okay? She messaged me all this and she's like, go check his phone. You will know the truth. Ask Kevin about this. I asked him at the airport. I was like, are you messaging Anushka? And he's like, yeah, I was. Because I told him that Anushka messaged me about it. Then I was like, I want to see your phone. And he gave me his phone. I didn't even check his message. I was like, it's okay. I don't want to see. I don't want to see at all. I messaged Anushka saying, it's your issues. Just sort it out. You guys are mature enough. Sort it out. That's it. I had no reaction at all. And this guy comes and tells me, oh God, I'm so happy that you're so mature. You didn't even react it, because if there was any other girl, she would have reacted, she would have gone crazy, blah, blah, blah. Okay? But uske baad, I started having trust issues with him. Because I have always been very honest about everything. And he have always lied to me about everything. He said when we were in Splitsvilla, I broke up with Anushka in 2019. बाहर आने के बाद मुझे पता चलता है, oh, they were तो like don't want to say it here, but they were like having seen 2020 that Kevin was still in touch with her. He used to have nightmares about her, and he would call her because he was so like stressed about her, stuff like that. Okay, he wanted her so badly in his life, and then he goes and talks shit about her, that she used to beat me, she's this, she's that, she's drug addict, she's blah blah blah, she's bullshit. He said a lot of shit about her. Okay, and then he texts her saying that he wants to whatever be in a friendly tone with her, and he's like, I was sad because Anushka didn't want it to keep friendship with me or whatever. Okay, after this whole Andaman blah blah blah, there was a lot of like doubts in my head, because I was like, was it all because he wanted to show Anushka he's moved on and that's why he wants to be with me? I don't know. I was very confused, because I was like an idiot who was just doing everything that he was saying, posting everything on Instagram just to show people that I'm dating. You know, it's not like he's the first guy that he's like. I have never kept anything on my social media because I'm very good at like keeping my private relationship maintained. Okay, the reason that I was doing all this thing was because of Kevin, because he was insecure. He wanted everyone to know that I'm dating him. And ये सब के बाद भी, okay, people are going all crazy because saying कि मैं quotes क्यों, memes क्यों post कर रही हूँ. Guys, okay, I don't know how many of you have followed me before, Splitsvilla. I always used to post memes, okay, when it's funny. Some of my friends share something to me, and then I'm like, oh, this is funny, I'll post it. Or my friends are sharing something and I'm like, oh, this is funny, I'll share it. Okay, first thing, I have said that to Kevin million times after we stopped talking to each other, that I'm not your ex. I do not even consider you as my ex. तुम्हारे लिए big deal होगा कि I've dated Cat Kristen, मेरे लिए नहीं है, ठीक है? So don't even consider yourself in that whole thing that you are my ex. You're not. We were together for 1 month. That is not dating. For me, that is not. Okay? We were not like whatever. I wouldn't consider you as my ex. So if I'm posting something that is not about you, first thing first. And you shared some stories about me liking someone's post. तुम करो तो सब कुछ अच्छा है, मैं करूँ तो सब कुछ बुरा. He used to like all this posts and like memes what people used to make about Anushka and Arushi, all that. He used to like everything. पर अगर मैंने कुछ गलती से like कर दिया तो oh god, Cat is such a bitch. Okay, he's saying that she's trying to defame me. How am I trying to defame you? Tell me. How am I trying to defame you? You going on Clubhouse, singing all the song, these hoes and loyal, then you calling Nikki, saying that Cat is the slut, Cat is this, Cat is that. You are doing all that. You are doing all this bullshit because it's really easy for a guy to just like, you know, our whole Indian society is so crazy because अगर कोई लड़के ने ये बोल दिया कि oh my god, she cheated on me, then people just believe because he's a guy. Like अगर you know, this whole double standard thing, when a girl after a breakup, if she wants to be in a friendly tone with a guy, then she's not over him. She's so